Thanks, Kate, for that really lovely intro. It's great to finally be here and to be a part of a department that I've respected for such a long time. And I'm excited to meet all of you today and share some of what my group is up to. So we're interested in digital safety from three complementary angles. First, we do deep foundational research, understanding how people navigate risk and harm in our digital lives, and then developing interventions that help them manage risk for themselves and their communities. That's one area where we've had a lot of recent traction, social and emotional uses of AI. We're asking, why do people turn to AI for advice on sex, dating, and relationships? And how can we make it better for people who do have that need? We just published a paper at ACM Chi on the relationship advice question. We were able to pull out some roles people imagine for chatbots in relationship advice, theories they hold about how AI works, and what designers and engineers can do about this to build more appropriate tools. Building on that, we're also looking at AI for sex advice in particular. If you're curious about that, feel free to chat with me further. More broadly, we're also developing measurement instruments for the impact of AI use on our relational skills, how we empathize, boundary set, trust, support, and love one another, and how AI use changes that. That's angle one. Angle two, while we look to improve existing technologies, we're also invested in building less harmful options. We're building AI alternatives with and for journalists. So journalism, right? That's one place where language technologies could actually be helpful if we could overcome problems with the current centralization in the AI industry, where journalists instead face job loss and mass theft of their work. So we're working with KUOW, the local NPR affiliate here in Seattle, to find appropriate uses for these tools and to leverage open source, small language models, and AI literacy to equip them to own and operate their own AI tools. And last thing, angle three, as Kate teed up, we work a lot on methodological innovation in digital safety. I'm continuing this work on trauma-informed research methods and exploring how they apply in visual research, that's work led by Kate's student, Ina Letts. And in modern practice in digital safety, how can we make red teaming, auditing these AI safety practices easier for people who experience tech-mediated harm, so they can also have voice in how AI is governed. In tandem with that, I spend a lot of time building digital safety as a field, convening cross-disciplinary teams across industry and academia to make progress, and also fostering professional networks and skills for junior researchers. I just led a workshop at ACM Chi on social and emotional uses of AI. Tomorrow I'm off to host a workshop of journalists, technologists, and researchers to explore ideas around collective control. And here at HCDE, I teach courses on research design and policy in digital safety. So I just want to say it's been a huge honor for me to bring my research program here to this department. It's the best intellectual environment I could imagine for top-tier research on tech and society that also makes real-world impact. So I'm delighted to be here and looking forward to your questions.